Down, down, BJP. Down, down, CAA. Down, down, CAA. Down, down, CAA. Di Pyrshah. CAA. Di Pyrshah. CAA. Di Kyndon. We reject CAA. We reject CAA. We reject CAA.
Kaken hun bakato kat ningut ki Samla nong kitkam ka Meghalaya Pradesh Youth Congress haka step ka khatsau trik luber 8000 apusau kilatur Khmat ka Ophis trekam ka Bharatiya Janata Party BJP ringkat ki Placard ban penrem ya ka jingpentrekam ka sarkar NDA beralam Khmat da ka BJP ya ka Citizenship Amendment Act 8000 khat khandai haka ba katnat kampo yeng ka ri India ru kalam menjur ya ki Kyndon ka neka ak men haka khatwai trik luber 8000 apusau Uba Adrian L. Kine, Presiden ke MPYC ulalam Khmat ya kate ka kanhun ulaong ba kate ka ak omde ban pentrikam haka jela Meghalaya namarkan kata iki nongsong snong da ka jingwan telep ki wei ki penrio.
Meghalaya might have been exempted from the CAA, but as we can see all over India, we are united. You see that there are protests everywhere against the CAA because it is a very controversial bill which has been passed and now has become an act, and which the government has now passed it and deemed it to be law. Even though Meghalaya has been exempted, we have to wonder. Due to the 6th schedule, we are protected against this law. But we have seen in the years that have passed the abrogation of Article 370. Exemption now might mean that later on in the future we become the targets. And we feel that we have to protect the 6th schedule by protesting against the CAA. And even if the CAA has been passed right now, we can see that India is not ready for the migrants that are to come. There might be lakhs, there might be crores who are coming. We see that in terms of the global hunger index, India ranks at 111th from 125 countries in the world. And we see that poverty is still raging across India. And there are still so many issues. And we feel that this is just politics to get vote banks. It's not thinking about the future of the minorities who are oppressed. If it was done in a different manner, we agree. We would have agreed with it. But we feel that this is just vote bank politics. It is politics that is not intended for the benefit of the people of this country.
Hakani ka singi ki long kami nong kitkam ka Seng Congress lani ka Meghalaya Pradesh Mahila Congress ru kilapen long ya ka jialang yalap Pyrshah ya ka CAA hakandai lan.
Ni Pyrshah BJP, ni Pyrshah CAA, ni Pyrshah CAA, ni Pyrshah CAA, ni Pyrshah CAA, ni condemn BJP, ni condemn BJP. Modi's government down down. Ni Pyrshah CAA, ni Pyrshah CAA, ni Pyrshah CAA.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishap, kashap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashap plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka iron la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam kata ikadur jingki marbam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki. Balehi banai kita. Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy bakongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition bakam bha ka jing im bakam bha pendon kam daki marba modon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko Office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.